Welcome back to O-Level Oasis, your trusted guide for CAIE exam preparation. After finishing 10 chapters successfully, we are now ready to start the 11th chapter, Transport in Humans. This chapter is quite detailed, so we will go through each concept step by step to make everything easy to understand. We will start with Unit 11.1, the Circulatory System, and these are the specification points we will be covering. So, let's begin. Alright, let's look at our very first specification together. Specification number 1 says, describe the circulatory system as a system of blood vessels with a pump and valves to ensure one-way flow of blood. We're going to explore this in a clear and interactive way, step by step, so you can understand exactly how blood moves around the body. This idea is the foundation of the whole chapter, and we'll break it down just the way your syllabus requires. So now, let's take a moment to understand the key definition of the circulatory system. When we ask, what is the circulatory system? We are really talking about the body's own transport network. And the definition explains that the circulatory system is the body's transport system that moves oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste materials using the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. It includes blood vessels, a pump, the heart, and valves that make sure the blood flows in only one direction. When we study the circulatory system, we discover that it plays a vital role in moving important substances around the body. This system makes sure oxygen reaches every cell so respiration can take place. It also delivers nutrients from the food we digest to all parts of the body, ensuring every organ gets the energy it needs. In addition, the circulatory system carries hormones to their specific target organs, helping regulate different body functions. It is also responsible for removing waste materials, such as carbon dioxide and urea, so the body can stay healthy. This entire system is made up of 3 main components: the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels. The heart works as a powerful pump that pushes blood through the body. Valves in both the heart and the veins make sure the blood keeps moving in one direction and prevent any backflow. Finally, the blood vessels like arteries, veins, and capillaries create a complete network that allows blood to travel to and from every tissue in the body.